Using Kofax TotalAgility Designer, I will build a process. First thing I'll do is I'll design the process. And in the starting point, if I select the start, I can add an activity simply by clicking on it. And in this case, I'm just going to end it. Only want one activity for this because I just want to show a very quick process. So what I'll do is I add a couple variables here. One, I'll just have name, and I'll make this an initialization variable just to show the difference. And then I'll also add date. So I'll put date in here, and I'll change the type of the variable to a date type so that it will treat it differently. But this one I'm not going to make as an initialization. I'll add it in later when it comes up. Now back in my design, I'll go back to that activity and then go into the input variables, and I want to include the name. So when it comes to this activity, I want it to show me the name, and then I want to be able to provide the date. So now I release this process, and it tells me it's successfully released. I'll just close and unlock it. It's giving me a couple warnings here, or just, are you sure you want to close it out? So now if I go to my workspace, the first thing I do is from my work queue is I can go into and see I don't have any activities right now, so I want to create one. And I'm going to use the default category here, and there's my new process. Here's that initialization variable where it has name. So I enter my name in there, create, and it shows the job is successfully created. Now if I go back to my work queue, it's showing me it's in that activity one, that first activity that I created. There's the name that I provided, and here is the date field that I can now provide. I can change it if I want to, but it's got the default, it'll show the default date and time. And I can complete that activity. This can further be exported to other systems and further extended, but I wanted to show just a quick process and how to create that. Thank you.